Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, the honorable professors, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I will presenting our research titled Reforming Government Organizations, Building a Responsive Government Bureaucracy at Kabupaten Subang, conducted by my college, Dr. Tati Sarihati and me, Lucy Muhlisyana from Universitas Langlang Buana, Bandung. Bureaucracy reform, both in the central and regional governments, is a necessity in the effort to comprehend good governance. Bureaucracy reform on the regional government level focus to create an efficient, effective, rational, and proportional organization that in line with the region needs and capabilities. The Organizational Assembly on Regional Government as the institution conductive organizational task load and structure shifting and demand an adjustment in the region government institution through a rational and objective regional organizational apparatus, precise function, and measures the subtitles and capability owned by each region. The problems are decentralization policy change in governmental administration, and changes in task load and organization structure. So we doing this research by the purpose to analyze government organizations, to compose a design of government organization so that we can improve and enhance the performance of government organizations. We use our literature review of the three perspectives. First, Old Public Administration by Weber, 1958. The second, New Public Management by Gifford, 1993. And the last one is New Public Service by Meek on 2008. We also use Permendagri number 57 year 2007 and Peraturan Pemerintah number 41 year 2007. The theoretical framework used to carry out institutional reform of the government bureaucracy in Indonesia in the era of democracy and current openness is the third perspective, which is New Public Service by Meek 2008. The preparation and evaluation local government organization should pay attention to factors that are not only regulations and higher authorities, but must integrate it with the analysis of service needs for stakeholders in the region. This research uses descriptive qualitative approach where an analysis on the organization of current regional government condition and future needs was conducted. Literature study and focus group discussion or FGD with policymakers in Kabupaten Subang are used to collect data. So the research disclosed the need for institutional structuring of regional apparatus organization. Here is the result. The design of organizational structure of Kabupaten Subang government has changed from a maximum pattern to moderate pattern through either merger or elimination. The implication of alternative institutional change in the regional apparatus organization will also result in changes in the number of structural positions needed. This implication to number one, reduce number of regional apparatus organizational units, especially regional offices. And the second, the addition of regional technical institution as the spearhead in development and community services in Kabupaten Subang. Develop existing functional positions, and the last one, expanding the centralization of authority to the district. Our results bring us to the conclusion of the rationalization or restructuring through merger and or elimination. varied nomenclature and tend to differ so as to constrain in coordination and disrupting synergetic tasks. The real needs of the area and financial ability become a burden to APBD. And the last one, the ineffective institution needs to be re-examined both on workload and implementation of the prevailing legislation. Ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of the presentation. I sincerely appreciate your attention today. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.